So guys, a new year has started. Happy New Year to everyone right now watching this video. Last year has been absolutely perfect because beginning last year, my prediction was that we were gonna be reaching between the 38k towards the 48k by the end of this year. And well, we met exactly in the middle of this exact target. We are currently trading at about the 42k level, so this has been absolutely perfect. Now, I want to be talking about what is going to be happening in this year, because this year, 2024, is going to be absolutely epic. So in this video, I will be telling you guys exactly what I think is going to be happening with the Bitcoin price coming 2024. Also, what I think is going to be happening with the altcoins. This is going to be a little bit more of a longer term update video. But to kick things off, let's first of all have a look into what's the things that we already know is going to be happening. First of all, we have the spot Bitcoin ETF, which is going to be approaching very soon. It is only a couple of days before that spot Bitcoin ETF is going to come. But one thing to keep in mind is that whenever the spot Bitcoin ETF is going to be getting accepted, that is not exactly going to be the moment where it is going to be live and trading. It will still be taking a couple of weeks probably before really that spot Bitcoin ETF is going to be launching. But very important, this is going to be causing a lot of inflows coming 2024. A lot of institutions who could not be buying Bitcoin before can right now be buying Bitcoin because of this ETF. So well, yes, it is still going to be taking a couple of weeks, but definitely for the year of 2024, this is going to be very bullish. Now, next up, we can be having a look into what's a Bitcoin halving. This is going to be a very important catalyst that is incoming, that will be happening in 2024. And I have said it many times, I really do think that Bitcoin will finally start its parabolic run after the Bitcoin halving. Whenever we are going to be getting our Bitcoin halving, well, afterwards, we are really going to be seeing these exponential prices just like in previous bull runs. The Bitcoin halving is expected to come in the middle of April. So probably beginning Q2 of 2024, this Bitcoin halving will be coming. And at around the same exact time, we can also be seeing that the Federal Reserve is most likely going to be pivoting and is going to be initiating its first rate cut. Look, we have already been saying last year that most likely the Federal Reserve is going to be pivoting with its interest rates beginning next year, so beginning 2024. And right now, well, that is exactly happening. The majority of the market is already pricing in that beginning 2024, we are actually going to be seeing our interest rate cuts. And well, this is going to be very bullish for Bitcoin. More liquidity is being added. The money printer will once again be turned on. That is exactly what will be happening after these interest rate cuts. And whenever that will be happening, well, we are once again going to be entering our parabolic bull run. So yeah, Q1, Q2 is looking very promising for 2024. Fundamentally, it is already starting to look very good, but just keep in mind that we do not know what is right now happening behind the scenes. We of course do already know what is playing out in front of our eyes, but behind the scenes, we do not know what is going on. Maybe like another country is adopting Bitcoin right now, and that could be leading us in towards a new bull market as well. Maybe another news event is going to be coming out in 2024. So just keep that in mind as well. Bitcoin is very news driven. So whenever a good story comes out, well, it could be driving up the Bitcoin price like crazy. Just like whenever a negative story will be coming out, it could also mark a new crash for Bitcoin. Okay, so now you understand all of this, let's right now have a look into what's the Bitcoin price. And first of all, we have not reached our 48k target just yet, and what we can be seeing is that every single cycle we have hit this initial bear market drop-off point, and whenever we hit that bear market drop-off point, well, that was the point where we saw a greater correction. This has literally been playing out every single cycle, and I do think think this cycle, this is once again going to be repeating. So beginning Q1, we can definitely see some more bullish price action to once again reach that 48k target. But I do think that before the Bitcoin halving, we are still going to be seeing a correction. So after hitting that level, or maybe even we are not going to be reaching that level, but almost inevitably, we are going to be seeing some kind of a correction. We have also seen that playing out every single cycle. So almost inevitably, we are going to be seeing this greater correction. I do think we can be reaching the 32k level. So that would be my target if we are going to be seeing that correction. And then after the Bitcoin halving, after the Federal Reserve is going to be pivoting with its interest rates, well, that is going to be the moment where we are going to be seeing our exponential rally. Now, for the price targets of this bull market, well, we cannot know it exactly. Everyone that is printing a price target right now for this bull market is straight up lying, because you cannot know what the exact top is going to be of the next bull market. You can of course guess a little bit, but you cannot know for sure. Bitcoin is going to be topping out at about 120k. I mean, everyone who is saying this is straight up lying. We just need to be monitoring the on-chain data, because that is going to be telling us exactly what the market is doing. Are we too euphoric? Who is right now accumulating Bitcoin? Is the smart money right now accumulating, or is retail jumping in? Well, all of this data we can be tracking in the on-chain data, and that is why I'm always having a look into what's on-chain data for longer term predictions. Okay, on-chain data has been suggesting me where the exact top of the last bull market was, where the exact bottom was of this Bitcoin bear market, and also it's right now telling me that we can still reach a little bit higher numbers right here for this mid-cycle top. So yeah, on-chain data is very good in predicting where we are right now in the market. So for the exact bull market top, tracking this on-chain data, you need to stay up to date on my YouTube channel and also on my Twitter profile, because guys, I can already tell you I will be sharing exactly whenever we are close to topping out. But probably we are going to be topping out close to 2025 and not even in 2024. Because yeah, after that bear market, we usually around do have 3 green years after that bear market. So once again, we have 2 green years ahead of ourselves. So probably 2025, we are going to be seeing our close towards the top. So yeah, for Bitcoin, 2024 is going to be a very bullish year. If we are going to be seeing that correction back down towards the 30k, I am going to be the one screaming to buy even more Bitcoin. I'm definitely going to be a huge buyer whenever we are going to be reaching that level. Another prediction I will be making is that around October, I do think we are going to be breaking our old all-time high. That is usually the point where previously around 6 months after our Bitcoin halving, that is exactly where we broke our previous all-time high. This has also happened every single cycle, and once again, I do think that will be very likely. So yeah, do keep that in mind. About Q4, beginning Q4, we are going to be seeing our all-time high being broken. This has historically all the time been playing out. I also do think that in 2024, we are going to be seeing a mini altcoin season. Really, the big altcoin season is going to be happening in 2025, whenever retail will be returning towards the market, whenever euphoria will be getting reached. That is where the real altcoin season is going to be getting created and getting initiated. But we are most probably going to be seeing a mini altcoin season just like right over here. Okay, and in this period, during 2024, you can really make some very nice gains during 2024. We can also already be seeing that the whole crypto market cap of all the altcoins is right now breaking out back in towards bull market territory. Literally, for the altcoin market cap, history is right now repeating. We are breaking back in towards our bull market territory. Last time this has happened, we broke in towards our bull market territory. We have literally seen a 12x. And well, right now we are breaking back in towards that zone as well. So 2024 definitely is also going to be a huge year for altcoins. If Ethereum can be breaking this downtrend over here, it is definitely also going to be a huge year for Ethereum. But also do keep in mind, whenever we are going to be breaking down below this support level, well, it can lead to some very bad things for Ethereum's price. So guys, definitely Ethereum is as well on a huge decision moment right now. And well, with that being said, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development coming year, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.